Hey guys, so we are going to add a menu item here using CodeMyWP and see how quickly it can do that. So I'm going to just type in, uh, can you add a page in the main menu? So I've just sent the message. Now it is going to process through AI. Okay, so yeah, so it is currently trying to check the page. Okay, now it has found the page with the page ID. Yeah, I'm going to approve that to get it added to the menu. Let's see what happens. Okay, yeah, done. That's it. Yeah, so it is very quick. You can just get these things done very, very quickly. Thank you.